My name is Ashish Khanna. I'm a partner at L.E.K Consulting and lead our financial services practice. The big challenge for personal lines insurance providers in the UK is how to configure themselves for success a year into the implementation of the FCA's dual pricing rules. Over the past 15 years, price comparison websites have come to play a hugely important role in distributing car and home insurance products in the UK. In this environment, insurers and brokers have needed to focus on offering competitive pricing, and to do this, they've had to significantly discount their quotes for new business. This has led to significant customer switching. As price comparison websites grew, switching levels in the UK expanded considerably, compared both to the pre-price comparison website era and certainly versus other countries that we study. The FCA's general insurance pricing practice implementation since the January of 2022 has now removed the ability of providers to price discriminate based on the tenure of the customer. The first year of implementation of these new rules has been choppy for a range of reasons, including claims inflation, supply chain issues, the recovery from COVID, and the impact of the Civil Liabilities Act. That being said, it is already becoming clear that the industry is heading into an environment where customer switching is lower, thus reducing the addressable flow for providers to grow their own businesses. Our expectation is that, all else being equal, switching rates could decline substantially over the next 3 years, closer towards international benchmarks. We do not expect price comparison websites to be laissez-faire about these changes. There's likely to be significant change to the strategies for this new switching environment, as well as because they have to react to the greater participation from Amazon as a disruptor who has recently entered the space in October of 2022. There are a range of different outcomes to the distribution environment possible from here on. Changes to pricing levels, different pricing structures, evolution of co-funding constructs, consolidation in the price comparison website sector itself. Providers facing into this changing distribution environment will need to carefully read the tea leaves to understand both the winning attributes as well as the pitfalls to avoid in the context of their own starting points. This may very well require a clean sheet approach to rethinking routes to market for players, much like Direct Line did back in the 1990s. The regulator's consumer duty implications will also come to the fore and continue to be scrutinized and implemented, potentially changing the economics of businesses across both risk and non-risk income lines. And furthermore, we expect that some providers will struggle to win in this environment. 2023 will accelerate consolidation in the sector amongst brokers and insurers in favor of scale, tech-enabled platforms. For well-funded participants, this is also an opportunity to consider inorganic growth. Dealing with change in our clients' environments is an important part of our work as strategy consultants. We have been carrying out ongoing work in the sector to understand the range of new normals that may emerge from this environment, supported by analytical rigor and an understanding of consumer behavior, and complemented with deep research into competitor strategies. This has helped our clients understand what it would take to win as the markets evolve around them. We have also been involved with shaping the M&A strategies that have emerged as the more forward-looking of our clients consider the opportunities to improve scale and add capabilities in their respective value chain positions. L.E.K have been advisors to the insurance sector for over 2 decades, giving us a clear view of the industry's growth and the changing strategies required to win. Our work for investors and shareholders, both in the UK and further afield, brings further insight as well as a breadth of experience and perspective, which is quite rare. And finally, our ability to bring together experienced strategic expertise with an analytical, data-led approach that is personalized for our client situation gives them the edge they need to thrive in their challenging markets.